The Rich Thomas Weather Network, brought to you by these fine sponsors. Hear Rich's forecast hourly on these Blue Water Broadcasting radio stations.
Hey, good morning, everybody. On this Thursday morning, 12th day of April, 49 degrees at 4 o'clock in the morning here. And of course, we'll talk about this, nice warm day today and the breezy warm day tomorrow. But the big focus, and I've been a very busy boy over the last 3 hours as new information arrives, and still a question of timing on this weekend storm system. Do the storms hold off till Saturday night, or do the storms, as the Storm Prediction Center thinks now, start arriving in the afternoon hours? Well, that's very important as far as how much severe weather energy is available. And the Storm Prediction Center has raised the threat level one more notch, and that it certainly raises our eyebrows. All right, so this morning, I'll break it down for you and tell you what we know. Let's get started.
First, we start with today, and no problem. Today's perfect. You know, we had 76 yesterday. We're looking for near 80 today. Warm, comfortable day with plenty of sunshine. Again, 80 is the high, 52 the low tonight. Winds out of the southwest at 5 to 10 miles per hour, so no problem today. And even tomorrow, you know, we're breezy and warm. I think the winds are gusting up to 20 miles per hour with a southwesterly wind and a high in the lower 80s. And the big storm system out to the west of us, which could be a big severe weather producer from the plain states all the way down to the western Gulf states. That's tomorrow, Friday. Now, we're going to use the GFS with a slightly faster timetable. This may be too fast, but it has Saturday 1 p.m. the stronger storms coming into west and southwest Alabama at that hour and spreading on eastward. Well, that's a critical time period for severe weather. Saturday 7 p.m. it has strong storms just about across the state of Alabama. And here's Sunday morning at 1 a.m. and again a vigorous area of showers and thunderstorms, some of which could be severe. Now, the Storm Prediction Center, because of that earlier arrival time they're banking on, has given us an enhanced risk of severe weather covering most of the state from about Birmingham all the way down to the Gulf Coast. Well, that's significant, and that's because of the earlier arrival time, and that's because of the CAPE, or the convective available potential energy, surging northward stronger during the late afternoon and into the evening hours. So if we get that early arrival time, we could see some stronger storms, maybe even a few tornadoes. 1 inch of rain perhaps in the southeastern counties, 1 to 2 inches eastern Alabama, more than 2 inches western Alabama, and heavier rain near the coast. Breezy, much cooler behind the system on Sunday. I think we have showers through the first half of the day, and then it turns drier after that. A breezy, cool day Monday. In fact, I think Monday morning and Tuesday morning are going to be chilly. High pressure sitting right over us Tuesday morning. And certainly will be near 40, I think, but maybe even cooler than that. So we got the showers and thunderstorms, and we'll have to eventually adjust the rain chances for Saturday night into Sunday. But we're mainly talking about late Saturday through Saturday night and into early Sunday morning for the strongest storms, with a high around 81 Saturday, 64 Sunday, and then much cooler behind that. And in fact, look at this. The GFS prints 38 degrees Tuesday morning. That may be too extreme, but maybe not. Then it shows a big warm-up later on next week. So some interesting weather ahead. Beach forecast for the beaches from Gulf Shores to Panama City. Tomorrow is fine. Well, today's fine. Tomorrow's fine. But then the question marks on Saturday, and we may have to go up with the Saturday rain chances, and certainly Saturday evening, Saturday night, stormy, and into at least part of the day Sunday. Gulf water temperature now 71. Pollen is high, very high today, tomorrow, and Saturday, but then the rain will help us bring the pollen level down as we get towards Sunday. Obviously, with the threat of severe weather coming in, our weather app is going to be very important to you if you don't already have it on your phone. With the advanced interactive radar, push notifications for watches and warnings. Get it today. It's free. Go to the App Store, search Rich Thomas Weather.
There will be new information arriving later on this morning after I publish this video, and I will update you on that new information as we try to focus in on the timing of this weekend storm system. You know, if it was a Tuesday, that's one thing, but it's a Saturday, and not just any Saturday, a Saturday in April when there's so many things going on. There's so much riding on the timetable, so we'll keep you up to date, and I'll be chock full of information tomorrow morning at 4:45 on a very important Friday morning video. I hope you can join me. Live on the radio this morning. I'll see you on the radio from 6 to 9 on News Talk 93.1, and your forecast 256 times a day across the dial on 8 radio stations, the Blue Water family of stations. Have a good one. I'll see you later.
Rich Thomas Weather.